Welcome to the in front of me Honor X7, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box. Okay, let's just check the paper box. So here we can find the SIM eject tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guides, and also I have here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original Honor Supercharge. And that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.